Okay, I about dumped it over.
So supposedly the way to treat a wood trailer is some used Earl and diesel fuel.
Some diesel.
So that's what we're fixing to do for this old trailer rods. There's your Earl.
Well, how much diesel?
Probably a little more Earl than that.
Think so?
Well, what you think? I think you just thin it with the diesel, so you probably want 3 to 1, I'd say. That's probably good.
Right there.
Yeah, about right there. And a little diesel fuel.
Can I spray the trailer down, Dad?
Shoot, I say, maybe, I guess, I don't know.
I don't know either. It don't look the same as it did
2 seconds ago?
when I watched it on the...
Oh, when somebody else did it?
Yeah,
Wow, what did it look like on there?
like more oily.
Surely that's enough oil.
Maybe too much diesel.
Yeah, maybe it'll soak in.
Get it good. Gotta get it good and soaked. You're missing all them spots up there. See where it's not wet? Mm-hmm. Yeah, get it all wet. Keep going, just like that pace. All right, keep going.
And the end result. Took pretty good. It's already dry to the touch in most spots. So hopefully that treats it. Our biggest concern is it makes it slick when it rains. So we'll see. We'll update you on that. But for now, that's a quick and easy way to seal the trailer and get rid of some used motor oil.